Hi everyone, in this video series we will cover the entire Solodit vulnerability checklist and provide real-world examples for each so you can understand more easily. Let's check out fifth access control vulnerability. What happens during the transfer of privileges? The protocol needs to work constantly and reasonably even during the transfer of privileges. It's similar to previous one but slightly different. Here is real-world example for this. Transferring ownership might break the market. Uh, there is callback authorized mapping, and this mapping contains a list of whitelisted owners. When users call this purchase bond function, it checks is the owner still authorized to use a callback. You can think it as a callback authorized role for market owners. And basically, this market owner must have callback authorized role. Otherwise, users cannot run this function. And there is a push ownership function. If the market owner transfers the market ownership to someone else who has not callback authorized role, then purchase bond function will always revert because the new owner has not this role. The solution is simple. We have to make sure that new owner has this callback authorized role. Yeah, it's again basic, but very important. You have to make sure the transfer of privileges that doesn't affect the protocol. And thanks for watching.